Hi, Mark Ulrich here, Manager of Solutions Engineering with Xilica, and we are in New Jersey at the E4 event, and I'm here to show you the Sonia amp and speaker, which is the top pick for this trade show. The Sonia amp is a PoE-powered device that is 4 channels. It's a Dante-based amplifier, and with a single drop to the ceiling, you can provide the power, the data, and the Dante to your amp and speaker and to the ceiling tile microphone. This is a PoE Plus device. You've got a total of 30 watts to the amp, speaker, and your PoE-powered beamforming microphone. It has 4 channels, and this provides the power to the passive speakers over CatX cable. The speakers also have an additional RJ45 connector on the back for daisy chaining in parallel 1 additional speaker. The amp and speaker, Dante-based, integrates with the Solaro line of DSPs, and that adds the processing and routing capabilities to the system. You can find out more about the Sonia amp and speaker at xilica.com, and thanks for watching.